How to connect Google Ads with Shopify. Let's get started. First, go to shopify.com and log into your Shopify account using your credentials. From the Shopify admin dashboard, click on Settings at the bottom left. Then select App and Sales. Now click on Shopify App Store to browse available integrations. In the App Store search bar, type Google and YouTube. From the drop-down menu, select the official Google and YouTube app. Click the Install button next to the app. Then confirm again in the pop-up modal to grant necessary permissions. Next, click Connect Google account and sign in to the Google account you want to use for ads. Once connected, link your Google Ads account, Merchant Center, and Google Business Profile if needed. Now choose your target country, shipping settings, and product feed to sync your store data with Google. Finally, review your setup and click Finish Setup. Your Shopify store is now connected to Google Ads, and that's how you connect your Google Ads to Shopify. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.